morning, and here we are in JRU, here with... I'm Mark Henry Sipaler, and I'm from E12I.
Meron lang po kaming dalawang question sa inyo. Okay lang po ba?
Yeah, sure.
First na question po is, how have religious differences impacted your personal experiences or experiences of people you know?
Well, naka-impact siya sa akin in a way na parang nakatulong siya sa ibang tao, na parang ang ginawa nila is bringing up nila yung mga spirits ng tao, yung kakayahan nila na mabuhay ulit. Kumbaga parang tinanggal sila sa dark place. Ayun.
Pangalawang question naman po is, what role do you believe schools and community should play in fostering unity among people of different faiths?
Well, ang masasabi ko lang dyan is, syempre, marami tayong iba-ibang religion. And feeling ko, ang gagawin lang siguro ng school is, respeto na lang sa isa't isa. And parang turuan tayo para maging mas may alam pa dun sa mga ibang religion natin. Ayun.
Sir, and we are here with
Wayne Rodavia
from
M11D.
Okay. May konting katanungan lang po kami.
Ano yun?
What do you think are the biggest challenges we face when it comes to understanding different religion in the Philippines?
Ano nga yun?
What do you think are the biggest challenges we face when it comes to understanding different religion in the Philippines?
Yung pagkakaunawaan ng mga religion sa isa't isa. Since meron naman talaga tayong diversity and merong iba't ibang beliefs yung mga tao. And merong ding iba na hindi nire-respect yun. So, I believe that each of us should respect each religions kasi magkakaiba man tayo ng beliefs and practices, pero in the end, magkakagaya lang din naman tayo ng wini-worship, which is yung God natin.
Last question po. How have religious differences impacted your personal experiences or the experiences of people you know?
Actually, as a Roman Catholic na student and madalas din ako mag-pray, so instead of just praying, mas mag-focus ka into making yourself better and making yourself better through self-reflections, talk with your Lord para malaman mo kung paano ayos yung mga mali mo. Though hindi man nagre-reply yung Lord nyo, maririnig ka niyan. He will heed your prayers. So you should always repent and say sorry for all the sins or mistakes you have done. Ayun lang.
Okay. Thank you po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Paula po.
From
E11F STEM.
May onting katanungan lang po kami.
Okay.
Pwede po ba?
Yes po.
first question, what do you think are the biggest challenges we face when it comes to understanding different religion in the Philippines?
In Philippines po kasi we believe in many religions po, like sa INC, sa Catholic and Christians. Tas ang biggest challenges po natin dito is yung when it comes to belief, meron pong mga naniniwala sa kay God and meron pong mga hindi naniniwala. Like sa INC po, like sinasabi po nila is sila lang po yung maliligtas. And then sa Catholic po is hindi sila naniniwala na INC lang po yung pwedeng ganun, maligtas nga po. Ang biggest challenges po dito is nag-aaway-away po sila when it comes to belief kasi meron pong hindi naniniwala and meron pong naniniwala about that.
Last question, in your opinion, what can young people like us do to promote understanding and respect among different religious groups?
Maybe we can understand each other na lang po, and kapag may nakikita po tayong ganun online, wag na lang po tayo makipag-argue or keep it in yourself na lang po, ganun, as a student.
Thank you. Together with
Matt from E11C and STEM.
may konting katanungan lang po kami. In your opinion, what can young people like us do to promote understanding and respect among different religious groups?
Actually promote. Para sa akin hindi siya promote eh. The way lang yung paniniwala mo siya sa and yung respect mo sa mga each individual's belief, yun lang.
Question. what role do you believe schools and communities should play in fostering unity among people of different faiths?
Para sa akin kasi, wala naman siguro magiging epekto yun kung hindi tama, or kung tama yung pag-iisip ng isang individual, like, they know how to respect each religion, and yun, don't be racist for other religion, like our friend like Muslims, INC, and etc.
What